Okay, so we have y equals x cubed, which looks like this. Okay. Y equals 1 is there, 1. And x is equal to 2. Okay, so I actually have to extend this a little bit more. X is equal to 2. So when it's 2 on this function, it's going to be 8. Okay. So now we're talking about this area. Now this area, we're going to rotate this about y equals -3. Okay, it's interesting rotation. -1, -2, -3. Okay, so note that from this axis of rotation, the distance to that point there, where the beginning of the area, where the area starts, is 4. So we gotta actually go down all the way down to -7. 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and then we have to go all the way to, okay, this is 8. So it's another 7. Okay, so that's -14. So roughly it says -14. Like that. Okay, so we're rotating like this. So there's a big hole in the middle, a cylindrical hole in the middle. And we're rotating, wow, like this, right? Okay, so let's set this up. Volume pi. Okay, the outside radius, outside disk looks right like this. Okay, so all right. Okay, so this radius here, what does it depend on with respect to the x and y value of the function? Okay, so we need pi. So this, let's call this radius here, big R, is a function of x. We need to square that. And we also need the radius of what we're going to carve out in the middle here. But that's just nice, just a nice length of 3, right? Actually 4. Just 4. So just 4 squared. It's constant. So this one that's tricky. Okay, we're integrating from 1 to 2. Okay, 1 to 2, 1 to 2. Okay, so we have to relate this radius with respect to the x and y value from 1 to 2. Okay, it's clearly dependent on the y value. So you can see, if I pick a value there, if I take the y value, it's this length. Clearly, it's not. That's not the radius of this rotation. We actually have to add this much more. But that much more is simply the value of 3. Right? So it's 3 plus the height, the y value on the function. Okay, so of course that's x cubed. So it's that square. So this is, right, the big R at x. Okay, now we're ready. Okay. Let's expand this. You get 9 plus 6x cubed plus x to the power of 6 minus 16. Okay, so let's find the antiderivative of this first. That's going to be 6 over 4x4, 1 over 7x7. That's minus 7x. Okay, so let's plug in 2. So this is 3 over 2, 2 to the power of 4, 2 to the power of 7, 7 times 2 is 14, and then plug in 1, you get 3 over 2 plus 1 over 7 minus 7. Okay, create more space there. Let's create. Okay, so this is going to give you 8. It's 24. Plus, okay, let me leave that for now. Minus 3 over 2, minus 1 over 7, plus 7. Okay. So if you add these two, you get minus 7. Okay, if you subtract the 7 from there, you get 17. So I just took care of these three. Let's take care of these two. They're common base of 7. So 2 to the power of 7 is 128, I believe. 120, so 127 over 7. Okay, so I've taken care of these two, and then we just have that minus 3 over 2. Alright, so let's change this to a mixed form. This is, what is this? 1, and you get 57, so you need 8, and 1 over 7. Alright, so this is going to be 20, 35. So 35 plus 1 over 7 minus 3 over 2. Okay, so it's 35 pi. And then plus pi, if you do this, you get, what is this? 2 minus 21 over 14. So that's minus 19 over 14 pi. Okay, so let's borrow 2 from here. So you get 33 pi, and then you get 28 over 14 minus 19 over 14 pi. So 33 pi, and you get that, which can be also written as 33 in the mixed form 9 over 14 pi.